Sathiyo Zindabad. As the world over, the pandemic is raising and it's turning into a humanitarian crisis. The world over, the financial institutions and the World Bank and the multilateral agencies are wreaking a havoc, and they are seeing this as an opportunity. Corporations are trying to make profit and loot people and impose restrictions which will ultimately lead to downfall of many economies and the livelihood of many millions of people across the world. World Bank, rather than aiding in this effort, rather than helping mitigate the sufferings of the people, it's aiding and abetting the corporate loot and profit. World Bank in past, its policies have continued to push neoliberal reforms, which is leading to the privatization of basic humanitarian health services and everything. What this pandemic has showed to us that more than ever we need public services, we need public hospitals, we need public education, and we need public employment guarantee programs for people to sustain their livelihood and better labor laws. What we are witnessing is that the World Bank is pushing in the name of helping and giving aid in millions to people and countries for further reforms, which will destroy the environmental laws, weaken the labor laws, and destroy the livelihood of people. This will not regenerate the economy. This will further kill the economies and the livelihoods. Hope World Bank learns from past mistakes and deeds and continues to stay away from their course. And it's time to take a new course. Hope World Bank learns. Unless and until people's movements all over the world have to continue to challenge their destruction and the corporate loot and abatement of such processes. Thank you. Inqilab Zindabad.